Hotel Paradise Inn, a place to access a variety of destinations, you name it, and we all have in our vicinity. Historic, nature-oriented, adventurous, and religious. We welcome you to feel the comfort of home in the lap of mountains. Our services start right from the moment you reach us. Our in-house restaurant offers you the taste you deserve. We mainly offer 3 types of rooms: standard, semi-deluxe, and deluxe. All the rooms are well equipped with basic in-room amenities like HD TV, ticket, etc. Higher tier rooms offer better interiors and attached balconies for extra comfort. Our spacious banquet hall with customizable facilities can make any plan successful, whether it's a meeting or a party. We check all the safety and security checkboxes with the inclusion of CCTV surveillance and fire protection. Visit us to experience the hospitality at its best.